Hi everyone! So nandito po tayo ngayon sa aming munting tahanan. Ayan po. So nakapalibot ng kulay berde. So ngayon children, ang ituturo ko sa inyo is about the basic mathematical operation. So alamin natin kung anong meron sa basic mathematical operation. So kung handa na kayo, so don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. So thank you!
Hello everyone, hi to the parents out there. So sana magiging safe kayo kung saan man kayo ngayon. So by the way, I'm Sir JL, your mathematics teacher in this channel. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe this video to your friends, relatives, and family. So what we are going to do now, children, today I would like to share you the concept of 4 basic mathematical operations. So are you ready? Okay. Okay, this time children, I would like to teach you the 4 basic mathematical operation. But anyway, I made this power presentation last day, so hopefully you like it. Now,
Wow!
let's go
Ang
to the
lupit
4
mo!
basic
Ha?
mathematics operations. So we have addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Now, that are the symbols of the mathematical operation. So, this time I teach you the differences between additions and subtraction. Okay, this time children, I teach you the differences between addition and subtraction. So first, we find the meaning about addition. When you say addition, that is altogether counting of two groups of object and finding how many in all. So here the example, we have two marker and one eraser. So pag pinagsama itong dalawang grupo, that is the concept of addition. Example of addition. She had 5 pencils and 3 crayons in her bag. How many things that she had? So we have the given here, solution. 5 pencils plus 3 crayons, we have 8 things because pencil and crayons are called things. So since na this is a word problem of addition, we have to write conclusion. How many things that she had? So she had 8 things in her bag. Okay children, to know more about addition, we need to identify addition. So now, or identify numbers. So what is what we call that the upper number of addition and the lower number of additions? Okay, now the upper number of and lower number of addition, we call that addends. Okay, so addends is the two numbers in the additions to add. Okay, now how about the total of addition? The total of addition, we call that sum. Okay, SUM. Next. Okay, letter A. So these are the question. Letter A, how to add two 3-digit number. Letter B, how to add 134 plus 876 plus 12 plus 5083 without using calculator. Okay, let's find out.
A few moments later.
Okay children, to answer these two questions, letter A and letter B, so let's find out. So letter A, how to add two 3-digit numbers. So here I will write for example 45 plus 46. So I will write here in a horizontal way. So we will write that to easily to answer or to solve that problem in a vertical way. Okay, 45 plus 46. So first we have to add ones followed by tens. Okay, 5 plus 6 become 11. Okay? So do not write 11 here, so that is wrong. So i-carry mo siya sa taas yung 1. Okay, next, 1 plus 4 become 5 plus 4 become 9. So therefore, 45 plus 46 equals 91. Okay? That is the answer of letter A. Now how about letter B? So I write in a vertical form the numbers of 4 groups. So next we need to add those groups. 4 plus 6 plus 2 plus 3. Okay, 4 plus 6 become 10 plus 2 become 12 plus 3 become 15. Okay, carry 1. Now 1 plus 3 become 4 plus 7 11 plus 1 12, then plus 8 become 20. Okay, next 2 plus 1 become 3 plus 8 become 11 plus 0 become 11. Okay, Next, 1 plus 5 becomes 6. So therefore, these 4 groups, the answer is 6,105 without calculator. That is the answer of letter B. Okay, children, this time, try to answer this. How to use addition in your daily life. So answer this using your mind. Okay, next, subtraction. Okay, in this time, subtraction, it is inverse addition. So subtraction means the mathematical operation in which the difference between two numbers or quantities is calculated. Another, when we subtract the numbers of things in the group reduce or become less, the minuend, subtrahend, and difference are parts of a subtraction problem. I have here the example. So inverse addition ito siya, subtraction. So here the example, 2 minus 1. So 2 object minus 1. So ang gagawin natin, ang eraser, tatanggalin lang niya yung isang marker. So naiwan is 1. So that is the concept of subtraction. Okay, children, to know better about subtraction, you need to identify subtraction. So first, you have to know about what is called the upper number of subtraction and what is called the lower number of subtraction. So let us see. The upper part of subtraction, we call that minuend. Okay, number 8 is minuend. The lower part of subtraction, we call that subtrahend. Number 5 is subtrahend. Now how about the total of subtraction? We call that, children, that we call difference. Okay, the difference between 8 and 5 equals 3. Okay, next, so I have here the following questions. So letter A, how to solve subtraction if minuend number is less than subtrahend number in ones place. Letter B, how to solve 4-digit number in subtraction.
A few moments later.
Okay, children, let us find the answer, the letter A and letter B. So first, we have to answer letter A. So I have here the example of letter A, 63 minus 18. So since na we talks about ones place, so in my second vlog we talks about place value. So you can watch there, so you know to understand the concept of place value. So okay, let us continue. So since na 3 is less than 8, or the minuend is less than subtrahend, so what we are going to do is to need to borrow the tens place. So become 6 become 5, then 3 become 13. So that is good. Now let us subtract. 13 minus 8 become 5, then 5 minus 1 become 4. So therefore 63 minus 18 is 45. Okay, now children, let us go to letter B. Okay, letter B, the question is how to solve 3 to 4 digits number in subtraction. So we have here an example, 3,450 minus 1,232. So since na this is 4-digit number, so first we need to subtract 0 and 2. So since maliit yung minuend niya, so need magbaro tayo dito sa kabila. So magiging 10, then magiging 4. So pwede na yan siya. Okay, now 10 minus 2 equals 8. Then 4 minus 3 equals 1. Then 4 minus 2 equals 2. Then 3 minus 1 equals 2. So therefore, the answer is 2,218. Okay, let us continue. Now, this time we need to activity. I give you activity, so solve 2 to 3 rows numbers in additions and subtraction. Now, children, if you answer this, can you kindly pause your cell phone, computer, or laptop? Okay, very good. Now, let us check your answer. Number 1, the answer is 133. Okay, number 2, the answer is 23,789. Number 3, the answer is 174. And number 4, the answer is 571. So, who got 4? Okay, very good. You're excellent. You know what I said in this kind of topic. No. Now, who got 3 below? Okay, children, you need to practice if you got 3 below. Okay? Okay, children, next slide. So this time, can you answer this at your home? Okay, find the sum and find the difference. There are 3 questions in the sum and 3 of the difference. Next. Now, try this to answer. What is the difference between addition and subtraction? I know you know already what are the difference between 2. So write your answer in the paragraph form, not less than 3 sentences. Okay? Okay, try this answer at home. Okay, children, so next slide. Okay, that is the end of our part 1 of our lesson about 4 basic mathematics operations. So don't worry, children, because in a part 2 we need to study naman about the concept of multiplication and division. So don't forget to follow my YouTube channel. Okay, thank you children. Okay children, that's it. So nag-enjoy kayo sa lesson natin about addition and subtraction, the differences between them. So hopefully nag-enjoy kayo because hindi lang yan natatapos yung aking pagbibigay ng kaalaman about mathematics. So meron pang part 2. Yung sa part 2 naman, we study naman about the concept of mathematics. I mean the concept of multiplication and division. So hopefully mag-follow kayo ng aking YouTube channel. So but before that, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video to your friends, relatives, and family. So be happy always. So, it's for this morning. So bye bye for now children. So don't forget to smile always. Thank you.
Okay children, so kung alam kong nabitin kayo, meron pa yung part 2. So sa ang part 2, so baybayan nyo na lang. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my video channel or YouTube channel rather. Okay, bye-bye. Thank you.